Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the driver assistance system on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation that you see here. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until we watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the driver assistance guys, which fuses, relays we need to check, come to show you on that Jeep Grand Cherokee. Depending on the year model, you have two different types of fuse boxes that we need to check. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover both. What do we need to do? Open the hood, and when you face the engine, on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open guys that cover here. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 model. This is 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 to 2013. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Let's explain first, guys, for year 2011 to year 2013 model. The fuses that you need to check are known as fuse M34. This fuse right here that you need to check, M34, and then you need to check fuse number M14, that 20 amp fuse right here. Now, you don't have any relays, those are known as relay fuses, that's the only thing you need to check. Let's zoom in here, that's 2014 to year 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Specifically here, guys, we need to check fuse number 95, so that's 98, 97, 96, 95. This fuse right here will need to be checked, guys. Fuse number 95. Okay, so now what else we need to check? One more fuse, and that fuse specifically, guys, okay, will be known as fuse number 99. It's this fuse right here that you need to check. Those are the main fuses. You don't have any relays. If you still have problems with the system, you may want to check the body control BCM module fuses, relays, because all these systems work together, but the main fuses are the ones that we showed you. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.